Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have got some quick and easy solutions to help you fix any issues you might be facing with Xbox Cloud Gaming. Whether you're using the website or the standalone Xbox app on your Windows computer, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Website troubleshooting. If you're using the website at Cloud, the first step is to ensure you're signed into your Microsoft or Xbox account. Without an account, you won't be able to access their services. While Game Pass Ultimate isn't mandatory, having it can provide additional benefits like free games. So make sure you're signed in and check if the game you want to play requires Game Pass. Controller connectivity. Another crucial thing to check is your controller. Most cloud games require one, and even free-to-play games like Fortnite might prompt a controller not detected warning. Connect your controller to your computer. It doesn't matter the brand, just ensure it's properly recognized. Queue and loading bar. Once you're ready to play, keep an eye out for any loading bars or notifications in the queue. This will give you an estimate of the wait time. If you're not seeing anything after clicking play, hang tight, but if there's no loading bar, it's time to try something else. Clearing browsing data. If you're using a web browser like Chrome, clearing the browsing data can do wonders. Click on the three dots at the top right, go to Settings, Find, Cache, and clear your browsing data. This can refresh the website, ensuring you have all the necessary files to play. Server status check. Keep an eye on the current status of the Xbox servers. If cloud gaming or remote play servers are down, the services will be unavailable. You can check this anytime by searching Xbox status on Google and accessing the first website. It provides updates about the service and its operational status. Standalone app troubleshooting. Now, if you're using the standalone Xbox app on your Windows computer, the steps are pretty similar. Check your Game Pass subscription, connect your controller, ensure you're signed into your Microsoft account, and make sure the app is up to date by checking for updates in the Microsoft Store. So there you have it. I hope these tips help you get Xbox Cloud Gaming up and running smoothly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more quick and easy tips, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.